My name is Aryan, and today in this video I will be showing you how I change my this boring dormitory room into a beautiful high dope tech YouTube studio. So right now my room is like this. So first of all, you guys can see this is my bed. Here is one table, here is the fridge, here is one shelf is empty, here is my Sony A7 III. Outside is a pretty big balcony and cloth hanging place. Here is another table. Usually I sit here and edit my video. Here is another shelf. My tech bag is here, my YouTube bag. So here is my big cupboard. You guys can see this is actually not a real cupboard. This is a bed, but I have changed it to a cupboard. You guys can see. So all the stuff are here, my grooming product, all my bags, my camera bags, all my tech, my drone cameras, and some books. And here is my traveling bag. Here is some other stuff. So all these things I have to change from here to there, and slowly all the process I will show you, and you guys can also do like this. But the first thing is you need to see what is the best place for you to record a video for your background. So I have decided to bring this shelf, how to say, the big shelf or whatever is it, to change there, and because this place is good for me, because the outside window can also bring me a little bit light, and also I can use the another light source, so that can bring me a little bit quality into the video. This wall, actually this wall can be my background, and here I will bring all my desk setup. And let's start the studio work. I have also asked my friend to come here and help me, so I will call him again and I will start. First thing, I have to take out all these stuff from here, this shelf. I have to remove all this stuff. I bought the RGB lights, and right now I will test it and I will show you the color of these RGB lights. And these RGB lights fully controlled by your phone with Bluetooth, so they can change different colors, and it's pretty cheap. So let's see how does it works. Just build from here one, and then from here up to there. So I will just color these two parts, not the down two parts, because it's not visible, so you guys can see the color. Wow. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you would like this video. And it cost a little bit money, but I will give you all the detail in the description. How much does it cost for me? The things I have just bought, not the table. This is from university. So please make sure to subscribe and push the notification bell on. The sound panel is not installed yet, but I will try to install the sound panel. But I still have the bed and other some stuff, so the sound is not that bad. Right now I'm recording on my phone, so all the cameras I have put it there in the shelf. So we'll see you guys in the next one, and we will have a lot of great technology review video and all the tutorial video from my home studio. So bye bye, love you all, take care of you and your family. See you in the next one. Till that, peace.